Do you enjoy your rights as human beings to be able to say what you want to, do what you want to, and live your life as you please, and not be based on the status level to which you were born? Stick around and I'll tell you how this came about. One document that stood out and was critical to the French Revolution was the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen. Before this was adopted into the French society, there was a whole different system in place. All the important decisions were made by the Estates General, which consisted of three branches: the nobility, the clergy, and the commoners, and this could only be called in a meeting by the king, and the king had ultimate rule. Well, since these two classes were both pretty wealthy, they would tend to vote in the same manner, which would leave an unfair advantage over the commoners. The last article of this document, influenced by the Enlightenment, would be adopted on August 26th of 1789, and was supposed to help solve the issue of who had the right to power. It would emphasize on equality, social contract, and natural rights. It would also limit the power that the monarch had and focused on holding freedom and liberty of high importance. Now, due to this document, people would have the right to own their own property, have freedom of speech, and would basically be able to do just about anything as long as it didn't hurt someone else and didn't break any laws which would inevitably be hurting someone else. Be thankful for your historical roots and the people who stood by to have this pushed through, otherwise you might be living as a commoner and not have any rights to do as you please, like getting a better education, to have a successful career, or whatever it might be. Thanks for watching today. I hope you liked the content and learned something new, and if you did, hit the like button and share us with all your friends as we continue to grow. And please visit our social media sites. We'll see you next time, guys.